They say Toyotas are easy to work on, but that little bolt right there was a pain in the butt. But it wasn't that bad. Alright, so my sister's car needs a new alternator. So that's what we're going to be doing. So the bolt that I'm unbolting here, it's a 12 millimeter. I'm just gonna warn you, it's like 1,000 threads, okay? I mean, I was straight cranking this thing for like a solid 5 minutes, all right? I felt like my hand was gonna give out. It was pretty irritating, I'm not gonna lie. I own a BMW, and I've never encountered a bolt this long before in my entire life. And that's not a lie. This is straight the longest bolt I think I've ever unbolted. At least that's what I thought at the time, and then I was gonna find out later that there was gonna be one even worse. Way worse. You'll see. It's the one on the bottom of the alternator. So yeah, just warning you, this bolt sucks. The bolt for that bracket is the one in the circle right there. This is basically the part that holds the pulley tensioned. I guess, I don't know if that's the way to explain it. It's kind of weird. I've never seen a car have this type of mechanism before, if you can even call it that. I don't know what you would call that. It's not really like, it's pretty smart, but also it's a little annoying because whenever you go to thread the bolt again, like whenever you go to put it back on, the really long bolt with 1,000 threads, you don't know for sure if it's right or not. That right there is the bracket. Like, I don't even know what you call it. The thing that holds that bracket in. I just loosened it, and then I just like put it up like that. You can see, and just kind of tighten it down. You don't need to remove that all the way. And thankfully that one doesn't have that many threads on it. So, and you can see I'm pointing out the plug for the alternator. I don't know exactly what that goes to. Okay, I might work on cars, but I don't know everything. But yeah, pull that out. And then there's a grounding wire that I took off as well. It's kind of right above that. I don't think I showed that on the video, but yeah, I took that off and then just went to town on this bottom bolt here. Now this one also has a lot of threading, okay? I was cranking that thing for a solid minute as well. Should be it. Should just come out now. Oh yeah, look at that. What's holding this on? Okay, so what's holding that in still? Doesn't look like anything is. Oh, gosh dang. There it is. Huh. Well, hasn't been too bad so far. Okay. I didn't say anything, but I dropped the socket anyway. I didn't want anyone to know about that, but I thought it was funny, so I thought I'd tell you anyway. Also, just so you know, there's only one bolt on the bottom, and I didn't really show me getting it out because I'm not even kidding you. It would have been a compilation of a whole 10 minutes of me cranking that wrench. Like, I'm not even joking. Remember how earlier you saw that montage of me just cranking that wrench on the one with 1,000 bolts? Yeah, imagine that, but like times 2, okay? Not only that, this was in a really annoying place, so I couldn't put an extension there, so I just had to like thug it out and like squeeze my hand in between that little line you see there and the alternator. It was not really that fun. People say Toyotas are super easy to work on, blah, 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 yap all day about it. I work on a BMW. Look, I'm going to be honest with you. This was easy, but there was still some really annoying things about it, okay? So don't expect it to be super easy. Yep. All I got to do is just screw that on. Put the plug back in. Honestly, this was like a 45-minute job for me, but I'd only rate it like maybe 5 out of 10 swear words. It's not too terrible. Does that not click in? Am I stupid? What's going on here? Gosh dang, dude. Really, dude? Alright. So, everything went fine. This is pretty easy to do. It's 12 millimeter, 12 millimeter. That one down there is 14. And it's literally just that and the other screw down there is holding it in. And this is kind of like a tensioner for this. So, I mean, I don't know if there's tensioner fully or not. I wasn't paying attention. But this will actually tension that. So you just got to tighten that pretty good. Make sure that that's not wiggling around. And this clip didn't really want to go in, but it's fine. I stuck it all the way in. It's fine now. So overall, pretty easy. Make sure you disconnect the battery first. I didn't at first because I thought the battery was dead. It was not dead. But yeah, that's it.